It's a trout.
Oh.
You sure? Yep, it's a trout.
Oh, that guy's spicy. He got one.
First catch of the day.
I want
Put him
to.
on the pan and cook it.
Fishing does for you.
It tests your patience.
That's what I'm talking about. Go ahead.
So what you do is you hold this, flip that back. You go back with it, and then
I love Reach for Greatness.
Fishing is life.
be
So fun.
positive.
Got the worm?
Be positive.